Many of us live very busy lives, and finding the time to go to the dentist can be difficult. Today we'll discover the E4D dentist system, a high-tech CAD/CAM technology that offers same-day dentistry and could be the answer that we've been searching for. The answer to those long, time-consuming dental visits, which most of us dread. We spoke with Lake Forest dentist Dr. David Schmidt at Campbell & Schmidt Cosmetic and Family Dentistry to learn why the E4D dentist system is fast becoming the choice for many people.
Today, many of my patients have restorative needs involving either a crown or an onlay. They either had old silver fillings that broke down or they have cracked teeth. These types of procedures had to be done with a lab fabricated prosthesis in the past. With that type of prosthesis, I needed to take an impression, send it to a lab, and wait 2 to 3 weeks to have that done.
Dr. Schmidt tells us how this fascinating dental technology works and why it's the future of dentistry.
With the E4D system, we use a laser scanner to take a digital impression of your tooth. Once we get that impression, we use the computer to do a virtual model of what your restoration will look like. We spend a lot of time customizing to make sure that it articulates and works well with the other teeth. Once we've done that, we actually will send the restoration to our in-office milling machine where it is precisely milled. Once it is precisely milled, we get the restoration back and we try it in and make sure that everything fits the way it should. And then we do a color mapping to make sure the color is what we want it to be. Once we figure all those things out, we take the restoration and we place it in our custom porcelain oven and we actually glaze it so it has a high gloss and finish to it. Once we get that back, we'll actually bond that back in the tooth at that point in time and the restoration is done. The benefits of the E4D system are many. You're only going to the dental office for one visit, meaning you don't have to go back, no second shot, no temporary. You don't have to worry about the temporary falling out. There's going to be less sensitivity because there's going to be less bacterial contamination on the tooth. All these things contribute to a better restoration with less discomfort to you, the patient.
The E4D, I was able to get everything done at once. I didn't have to be numbed again, and I didn't have to have a temporary. And I walked out with a shiny new crown.
Dr. David Schmidt and the staff at Campbell & Schmidt Cosmetic and Family Dentistry offers cutting-edge technology to provide you with gorgeous, lasting smiles in just one day.